everyone. Welcome to Psychic Healing by Swabhi. I hope you all are having a great time. I am back with guidance for you all basis your zodiac signs. But before that, would like to say a very big thank you to all of you for giving me lots and lots of views for the last month's guidance that actually motivated me to do it one more time for you all, and request you, whoever is watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and do feel free to share this video with your friends and family for the guidance they deserve to know that universe is sending their way. So let's begin this monthly guidance or prediction for all the zodiac sign now. Okay, firstly, I'd like to tell you that the timestamps for each and every zodiac sign is mentioned below in the description box. So please feel free to go through the timestamps and scroll directly to your zodiac sign to know more about the guidance that universe is sending your way. So let's begin with Aries for the month of April. The universe has shown me 3 cards, which is Queen of Wands, 7 of Wands, Wheel of Fortune. Message number 1. If you are a female, you need to embrace the energy of a strong and bold soul, like a queen who knows the value of her throne and her achievements. You will be really good at expressing yourself this month, like taking charge of everything in your life, majorly professional life, or something that impacts your growth. You will certainly be active also in terms of taking care of your health. So yeah, that's what it is. Number 2 message, it looks like that you're towards the end of something, like you're reaching somewhere. If you're working on a project or running in a race to achieve anything, right? Let me tell you, the universe is indicating you here that you're towards the end of it. You're reaching it, you're just there, and it's all going to be okay. Whatever past bitter experiences are there with you, okay, don't carry the same experiences further, and it's going to be in your favor for sure. Why? Because the third card that came in this story is Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune comes with a strong luck. It's about good fortune, good luck, strong assurance from the universe that you are not alone in this journey, and you have a really strong support of your guiding angel with you. Some kind of new beginning, good news, you're going to maybe bag some new project or something that you've been working really hard for, as per my previous note, the previous message, right, that you're reaching the end of something. So maybe the end of something is the beginning of something here. So all the best, Aries. So Taurians, for you, let's see what the universe is showing for this month. It's going to be Knight of Wands, 2 of Wands, 5 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. So there's so many cards jumped out of the deck when I asked for the messages for you. So number 1 message, it looks like you are working non-stop, day and night, without even taking care of your health, without even taking a pause. It's more about your professional life. It looks like your mind is working constantly, and at times you stop focusing or prioritizing things that actually need your attention here. So universe is telling you, relax, take a deep breath. The work is not going to go anywhere. It is impacting your health, so please prioritize your health first. Number 2, some kind of traveling, movement, or some kind of conversation of moving to a place, mostly abroad, would happen again, but this time it's going to be concrete, so be prepared for the same. Number 3 message, conflicts are visible, definitely with the people around you, mostly professionally, at workplace. It's about some sort of a logic or decision making. However, end of the day, it is you who's going to be emerging victorious. So don't worry about it. And it also looks like that there is a female leader at work, or somebody who is going to support you, or you can say that her eyes are on you. She certainly wants to be wants you to be working with her, and she thinks that the kind of work that you do has great potential. So it might happen that she comes and opens the door of success for you like a guiding angel. She can get you the financial breakthrough that you've been waiting for, and will certainly be happening this time, rather this month. So be positive and hopeful, and you will certainly be getting the news of financial breakthrough for sure this month. So look forward to the month of April, Taurians. Gemini, let's see what universe is showing your way for the month of April. It's Knight of Cups, King of Pentacles, Three of Swords. So message number 1. Looks like you're thinking to share something or express some thoughts that you've been thinking of, or rather communicate certain things. If not yet done, then it's better for you to strategize. You're strategizing it already in your mind on how you can execute this particular discussion. It can also be an indication of something positive that you have or will be achieving this month, like a milestone which might take you to the next level in your life. So all the best for it. And message number 2, either you will be promoted or you will be receiving some good news regarding financial part, like an appraisal or something really amazing that you would want to celebrate or cherish. Or it may happen that some male around you will be taking some decisions for you for your financial gains this month. Last but not the least, this message comes with mixed emotions or mixed messages, I would say. Could happen that some of you might receive some news that can break your heart, but on the other hand, it's a reminder that the sun rises after rain for sure. It's about the decision making, logical thinking. It involves that kind of aspect. For some of you, if you've been going through a really tough time or a really struggling time from quite some time, this month comes in with stability and assurance that everything is falling in place for you as planned by the universe. For Cancer, this month comes with the Three of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, Eight of Swords. So message number 1, it looks like some third party involvement or support is coming in your way. It looks like a union of 3 people. It can be somebody who is keeping an eye on you with your close ones, or could also be the case where you've been working with a team of 3 people including you, and it's about some financial gains for sure. We've been working hard and in terms of collaborating with multiple people. As I said, there are 3 people in the picture, and one is for sure you. And now it's time for you to receive some great news. Message number 2, universe tells you clearly to take a back seat in whatever you are working or investing your energy. Everything is falling in place gradually. It's just that it's a new beginning for you, and or some good news with harmony stepping into your way. So you need to ensure that you detach or keep yourself at a distance from it. Do not work hard now. The work that was supposed to be done is already done. No efforts are needed. Just relax and see how things are unfolding in your favor in the coming time. Message number 3, it's just as soon as you see things happening around you in your favor, just control your senses, okay? Don't say or don't do things and emotions just like that. Think through, listen to everyone. However, the most important decision maker is you. So before taking any decision, saying anything, doing anything, just think through, think at least 10 times in your heart before you take any action in the month of April, because it can cause a lot of damage, not to anyone but to you and your reputation. Leos, this month comes with Page of Cups, Queen of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. So message number 1 for Leos, looks like you are in conversation with somebody around you regarding something like a project or something that can be beneficial to you and to your growth. What is important here is to do more than communication, and maybe it's important for you to take action now in that direction. You have a strong support as far as that conversation is going on. Somewhere in the middle, you're having this conversation. To keep that bridge intact, there is a strong support which universe is hinting at. everything is going in the right direction. Number two message, it looks like you might get into some logical discussion, in this month, where you might take some logical decisions. Your approach would be very balanced and emotionless, like your thoughts will be very clear, like crystal clear. Or if I link this message to the previous message, then it looks like that you have to take charge to ask those logical questions and do the decision making here. You are arriving, but slowly and gradually. Message number three, the energy says that you're going to bag something really amazing this month again. It's about some offer, something that you're going to cherish, or something that involves a milestone financially, of course. So just be positive. It's also a sign that you're getting, it could be that you get pregnant this month, or you share a good news. Maybe it's a sign that it could also be a sign that you are interacting with somebody, like a female who's strong, affectionate, really good at calculation. Could be somebody from the HR team, and she might land you up with a great news or some good offer your way. So look forward to the month of April, Leos. For Virgos, this month comes up with Knight of Cups, King of Pentacles, the Chariot. Message number one, looks like you're working on something like a project or something that involves your emotional side as well. Could be the work that you do, and it really impacts you emotionally. It's just an indication from universe that you're going in the right direction. Like if you're confused and you're looking for some sort of indication, and continue to work hard in the same direction. Do not defocus yourself. Keep your eyes intact. No matter what's happening around, what somebody else is doing, just focus on your work and improve your craft. Some good news is coming in your way regarding money. Some male connection around you will be sharing this news, or will be getting you material benefits this month. However, the past energy or the experience this male person is carrying looks cluttered. Like, what is important for you this point in time is to keep an eye on what is important for you and move on. Do not set your energy on what this male person experienced with you in the past, or this person comes up with. Message number three, some strong decision making that you will be doing this month. You look focused, dedicated and determined, which is great. But this energy does not look good when you really don't take a balanced approach, and go extreme way after making up your mind, and for something. Universe here is telling you to remain balanced, calm and focused, even when you are taking any sort of a decision. Do the right calculation of yes, no, right, wrong in this particular approach if you are taking any sort of a decision, Virgos. For Libra, this month comes with 8 of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, the Emperor. Message number one for you, Libra, continue to work hard, improve your craft. Do not look around, just focus on your work, stay balanced and continue to work dedicatedly. This month's energy is guiding you to continue to work hard, as I said, harder. Even when you're thinking and your mind is constantly working, just work and improve your craft. Message number two, it's also important for you to understand that there is this indication coming in from universe that you look like working on some goal, like on a journey to achieve some amazing milestone, and you have done some amazing work so far. It's just it's just that you need to be focused, as somewhere this month you might get distracted. So remember that when you have what you have in your hands, and when you see or look at that, it's everything. So you have what it takes. Continue to strive. Look at the growth that you've made so far, if you're confused at all. Message number three, you are arriving strongly as someone who is a people person, a leader, someone who makes decisions with full authority, and you might be getting opportunities to do the same this month as well. You carry the energy of a strong manifestor. who knows how to drive things in life. Looks like some financial gains coming in for you as well, like some materialistic gains coming in your way, and your strong support, like a godfather at a workplace, will help you achieve these things this month for sure. For Scorpio, this month universe shows King of Wands, Strength card, Four of Wands, Three of Pentacles. So it's about claiming your space. Message number one. If you are a male, you will be actively working and taking charge of everything around you positively. Like, you are a great communicator. You will build transparency. You will make decisions for sure. Also, you will also be taking care of your health this month. However, if you're a female, then you will certainly be seeing some male around you carrying the same sort of an energy that I just spoke about, and it's going to be for your benefit. And it's just someone who shares the strong, some sort of a strong bond with you. Message number two, it's about patience and channelizing your inner emotions well, like the anger in the right direction. You will be spiritual, and universe is telling you to keep your negative emotions and everything inside, as once it comes out in a crude way, it can harm you, not others, you. So learn to channelize it for your benefit, and always remember the balance comes within. And you have ample of caliber as well, so do not doubt yourself at all. Message number three, it's time for celebration as well. As per the energy shown by the cards, it looks like that you will be celebrating some sort of an event with somebody who's gonna be strongly supporting you, standing next to you in this particular celebration. It could also be about some good news where you will be celebrated, and your achievements will be celebrated. It can happen, and I'm hoping that it comes true for you, and some third person will arrive here. Certainly there I can see the energy of this third person in the cards, who's going to help you here receive this news after a really long time of struggle and pain. It's a sign of financial abundance as well. It looks like this person can also work with you as a team to help you reach the place where you want to be. Or it could also be possible that in your personal life, this person could come into the picture to make you realize what you have done or what you have is extremely precious and golden. Sagittarius, this month comes with 10 of Swords, the Hierophant, 2 of Cups. For you, it's about new beginning, assurance and harmony. Message number one, it's about a long journey of struggle where your expectations were not met so many times. You were hurt. You crawled in situations where you did not feel like even getting up and walking. When you look back, you tend to remember the faces of the people who backstabbed you, and what you expected did not really meet, right? But the universe is right now indicating that you're reaching the end of this particular cycle or this particular phase of struggle where the sun is rising for you. So look ahead and forget about the past. Be spiritual, meditative. These are the keys to your problems, and you have the solution with you if you're looking for the same. Claim your space, pick up the keys and open the door for yourself. You've been thinking of the solution, you have the solution in your mind. It's just that you have fear, because of which you're unable to make any decision here. It's important for you to trust yourself and the assurance of nature to do the things for you. People might approach you for solutions here, and now when the time is for you to decide, you are afraid of the changes. It could also be possible for you, to have this conversation or with somebody, some female around you who's a strongly spiritual inclined person and can help you fix the problems right away, or can be the source of solution for you. What you're expecting, you will get the solution right away from this particular female. Message number three. You might also be sharing affection with someone, from opposite gender, who can be a very different person logically, but this person holds a really strong emotions for you. So you will get an opportunity to have this encounter with this person this month. You will certainly be expressive, and you will be sharing a great rapport as well. You might get some time to spend with this person, and the universe is telling you that this month is all about harmony, which the nature is trying to bring into your life. So look forward to that. Capricorn, this month comes with 7 of Cups, 6 of Swords, 4 of Cups, 10 of Cups, Page of Pentacles. So many messages and cards jumped out of the deck when I asked the universe to send messages for you. So message number 1, looks like you've been thinking about something, a goal or a milestone. Maybe it can be the life that you want to live. It's just that it's all dreamy right now. No plans made yet, nothing concrete has been done. So universe tells you here that whatever, you have the plan, you have the thought, you have the dreams, and the dream that you're looking at, the milestone that you're looking at has great potential. But you need to gradually make a plan. You will have to start working in the direction strategically. So go ahead and do it for yourself. Message number 2. Someone from the opposite gender can help you here. You have had the battle or conflicts already, and now you're ready to move on to build peace within yourself and with the person you had conflicts with. So take help from this person from the opposite gender. Could be your partner, friend, someone from the family, or maybe in office, a colleague who will certainly help you figure out your life ahead in terms of materialistic bliss. Message number 3, it also looks like someone will be offering you something this month or sharing an opportunity, but you will be busy looking at your milestones, your expectations, your past experiences, and can be possible that you miss out looking at this golden opportunity and understand the importance of it. So pay attention to this opportunity, as it will take you to the dream life that you've been thinking about. This person could be a guiding angel for you, supportive in the coming time, and with whom you can actually think of expanding things in your life and more majorly financial abundance. So universe also tells you that you've been thinking to pursue something professionally, like a new job or a new role, some sort of a business idea, or some sort of a study that you don't want to do. Please go ahead and do it, because it has great potential for you in the coming time. Aquarius, this month comes with Page of Pentacles, 6 of Swords, the Hangman. Let's decode the messages for you. Message number 1, it looks like you're thinking to take up something new, maybe related to work, like a new role, a new business idea, a new project, or some sort of a new thing related to financial abundance. It's just that it's there in your mind right now, has not come true yet, but the universe tells you that it has great potential for you, and now is the time for you to take it up and move on. Message number 2, there is someone from the opposite gender who will be helping you in this situation in terms of achieving things related to your financial goals. The past energy with which you've been through, it looks like, very much struggling, full of pain and struggle, which is ended now, and this person will help you to move towards the calm waters now. It's full of positivity, hope, and an opportunity that you've been waiting for. Lastly, the universe tells you to relax, take a deep breath, and see as things are unfolding in its own time. Whatever hard work was required from your end is already done. So, and also if it's about more efforts needed from you, the universe says, it's all done now. It's time for you to just relax and trust the universe here. You will be having this new beginning in your life as per the plan of the universe, and it's going to get you harmony and stability in your life for sure. So just relax and go with the flow. Look forward to the month of April, Aquarius. Pisces, this month comes with 2 of Pentacles, Page of Wands, 8 of Pentacles. Message number 1 for you. Looks like you're confused about something in your life right now. Maybe, go ahead with the same or not. Yes, no, right, wrong, do it, should not do it. So universe is telling you here to not to worry about the same, as there are certain things happening in the background which you need not to know right now. It's just that the things will unfold in its own time, and you will eventually reach the decision. So you do not really think about it, or do not confuse yourself. Do not put energy in it at all. Message number 2. This could also be an indication that if you are worried about something not working out for you, then let the universe take the front seat for you. It's all working in your favor. Even when you don't see it, it will turn out to be how you want it to be. You will certainly be having a hold on the same. Like, something I'm talking about, this something, it's actually can be related to your professional life or financial status, or it can have a direct impact on both here. Majorly it's about something that is impacting your growth, so you're the right person to think what exactly it is. Number 3 message. Lastly, the universe is telling you to be focused and work hard in one direction. Don't scatter yourself, just work hard to improve your craft. Look at what you have in your hands rather than looking around and imbalancing yourself. Just want to add up one more thing. If you're watching this video or you've been watching my videos and my content, then the tarot connected with your energy and aura, and certainly the universe is sending this message your way. I hope the message resonates with you. Do feel free to share your feedback in the comment section. You can also reach out to my Instagram channel and Facebook page for sharing your feedback and sharing your one-to-one experiences with me. Happy to read about the same. And if you would like to book tarot session or Akashic reading session or automatic writing session, please visit my website to book an appointment, www.psychichealingbyswavi.com, or you can DM me, message me, ping me on my Instagram or on my Facebook. Happy to connect with you and be a small part in the journey of your healing process. Do feel free to subscribe to my channel, and do feel free to share this video with your friends and family so that they can also receive the guidance from the universe in the situations, the day-to-day situations that you face in the month of April. Thank you so much for watching this. Hope you all have an amazing rest of the month ahead.